to do a slight V in her head. Slight V, not a hard V. Just a little slight V here. Okay? So that's the back. Occipital bones here. So I'm not incorporating that hair here. And I'm doing just to the back crown. Bring all this hair forward. I'm going to make an actual inverted V. So I'm going to come in here. And I'm going to come over this way. But this is all brought forward. So you can see that these are shorter here, longer over there. Now watch when I bring Tallulah's hair back. Shorter here, longer here. And I'm going to comb that. And you can see where it's going to live when I bring this back hair here.